Taramasalata. Is there anything more Greek, Theo?
I think you can say it better than that. It's Taramasalata.
Taramasalata. It's the roll of the R, right?
Perfect. That's it. Exactly right.
And there is nothing that compares to freshly made Taramasalata.
Perfect.
So, of course, Theo, you're going to be making that for me. And you are the master of bread, so we're also going to be making a delicious potato bread.
Yes, this is one of my all-time favourites, a potato flatbread. It's like light, it's fluffy, and it's crispy on top, and that Taramasalata just goes so well with it.
Fantastic. Well, let's get onto the bread straight away. Again, we're making it from scratch.
Yeah, so really important to give yourself enough time to let this ferment and rest and everything. So first thing we're going to go in with water, and you need to make sure that that water is warm because that's going to help with that process. You don't want to go too hot because you're going to kill the yeast. So we've got some instant yeast that's going in here. So the next thing we're going to go in with is our flour.
Okay.
You can use really any flour you want, but bread flour really works better for this recipe.
Okay, does the salt go in now or we just leave that out?
No, we're going to leave that out for a brief minute. We're going to let it all come together and then we're going to add the salt.
Okay.
So now I can see that that dough has come to like a shaggy mess, so everything's mixed together, but we haven't got like a gluten development. Now is when I want to add my salt and a little bit of water so that it soaks up that salt, and we're good. Just a trickle, you don't need much, and that's it. And also just bear in mind that all flour is different, so some flour you might need a little bit more water, and just judge it by eye, but don't go too wet because then it's too hard to work with. Now I'm going to mix that for about 8 to 10 minutes, and I'll get you to rice some potatoes that we've already roasted off, 180 degrees in a fan-forced oven until they're fork tender.
Very good.
Our dough has been mixing for about 8-10 minutes and it's pretty well developed. You can touch it, it's coming away from the sides. That's what you want. Now we're gonna add our rice potato and we're just gonna mix it again for another couple of minutes till that's incorporated. Then it's gonna go into an oil bowl covered with plastic. It's gonna double in size. So as you can see now, this has doubled in size. It is ready for us to knock back. Do you want to give that a punch right in the middle for me?
It always makes me so sad to do this because
Sad?
it's just, because it's just so lovely and beautiful and then bam, bam, bam. Ooh,
I feel like it's
shrivels up.
cathartic. I love it. Just going for it, you know? What we're going to do now is we're going to divide this into equal parts.
Okay.
I find it quite easy to do, but that's probably because I'm used to doing it. Maybe if it's easier, roll it into like a bit of a log like that, and then you can just cut them pretty easily like that. I go for around about 100-gram balls. That's probably like that, and then in half again.
Theo, baking's your thing. I mean, you've trained in French patisseries and bakeries over there. Bread itself, it's just such a fine art, isn't it?
Well, it is. It's a fine art when you want to get it perfect and great, you know, but I'm always looking for the perfect loaf of bread. But try it at home, do it from scratch, and the result will be better than what you're going to buy in a store. So just give it a crack and you'll get better every time as well. So this is my technique. Dust lightly the top of them so your hand doesn't stick. Then a little bit of flour on your palm. Then we're going to just cup it like that. And we're going to use the friction on the bottom of the dough with the bench, and we're going to roll it, and we're going to just keep some tension on it just like that. It's very easy.
And it's really smooth.
You want to get some tension over the top so that it has that chance to then prove again. So I'm going to keep doing these, and I might get you to start on that Taramasalata if you can.
Okay.
So what we've got here is stale bread. Just soak that in some milk just to rehydrate it so it's stale bread. So we're going to add that to a food processor. This is to give some body to the Taramasalata, otherwise it's just going to be very liquidy. If that's a word, liquidy, is it? I don't know.
It's fun.
Then we've got our smoked cod's roe that's going to go in. You can get this from a lot of delis. I got this from the South Melbourne Market, Vangelis Deli. It's a really good place to get it from. If you can't get the pink one, you can get the white one. It doesn't really matter. It's just that smokiness and that fishiness that you want to get.
Onion and garlic go in next?
Yeah, so red onion, garlic. You want to take the germ out of the garlic so it's not too pungent.
Yes, we've done that just there.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going to add juice of 2 lemons and then we're going to blitz it up.
All right. And I see we've got some olive oil waiting for us too.
Yeah, so the olive oil is going to be that emulsifier that gets that dip to that beautiful consistency. So it's going to get that fluffiness and it really just brings it all together.
All right, I'll give this a really good blend and then slowly add the rest of that olive oil.
Yeah.
Well, these are fluffed up nicely.
Yeah, so these are ready to go now. You can see that they're puffed up nicely. They've got some bounce back in them.
Yep.
So what we're going to do, this is a bit different than what you probably would be doing at home, but I want to get some butter or some ghee or oil. You can do either. We're going to brush the surface of our working surface with this. So then we're going to brush the top of our little dough balls.
So
like
lots
this.
of butter for this
Lots
one.
of butter for this one. So then I'm going to take it off and then you're going to just follow my direction here.
Love to, sure.
We're going to get it on that butter or grease surface and then we're just going to press it out. Just like that. You've done a pizza.
aggressive.
You've done a pizza there. So what we want to do is keep the uniform shape across the whole dough ball like that.
Right.
That'll be fine. That's
fine.
cool. Yeah. So that's it. Very easy. Now we're going to go into a heated pan. It's on a medium to high heat. Again, we're going to go in with our butter. This is a very healthy recipe. Right, just like that. Grab your dough ball and then into the pan. We'll leave that for 4 or 5 minutes, flip it over, another couple of minutes on the other side, onto another baking dish, and we're going to finish it in the oven. There we have our potato flatbreads. They look incredible.
They really do.
Now, the only thing we need to do is finish them with some flaky salt. Delicious as always. So now all there is to do is plate up and then sink our teeth in. How good does that look?
They do look good. And also the Taramasalata, it's thickened up nicely. You're right, let's dig in. Look at this bread.
Yum. And that potato really adds to the fluffiness of this bread as well. And also it helps it crisp up too, which is a nice little fact.
We've never made potato bread here, so I'm really excited to try it.
Oh.
That's phenomenal.
That is so good.
It's honestly restaurant quality bread and it's addictive. It's just like eating that whole bowl of Taramasalata and all this bread.
So good.
And the buttery finish on top. Mwah. Mwah.